Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's Drockztv and I'm back with a video, y'all. Alright, so today, I don't know if y'all seen the last video, but I did an mnml try-on video. I had these sweatpants and cargos, and now I'm about to be showing y'all with different fits. So let me know what y'all think. Like this video, get it recommended. Share with your abuela, your grandpa, your father, your mother, everybody, your friends, your neighbor. Comment anything, and subscribe. Like, if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you doing, bro? Like, come on, subscribe. We about to be at 10K. Subscribe. And yeah, besides that, I don't want to talk too much. Let's get into the video. Alright, y'all, so this is the first fit. Let me know what y'all think. I got my spider hoodie on with the, the mnmls. Link will be in the description. I peep this, peep the shoes. So as y'all can see, this blends in. Like burgundy going with the burgundy, well, like brownish. I get the point. These is flares, by the way, just so y'all know. That's why they look a little big. I love how the style looks. Y'all can also rock it like this with a white shirt. Yeah, y'all see it brings detail. See with the white laces, it's all about details. So yeah, y'all, let me know what y'all think. So yeah, all around, feel me? Me, I love this fit. I'm wearing it, so I give it a 10 out of 10. Feel me? That's just how I feel. Besides that, y'all, let me know how y'all feel about the fit, and let's get into the next one. Alright, y'all, so basically it's the second fit. Let me know what y'all think. Let me know what you got. These flares, they're really called contrast bootcut sweatpants, but they're basically flares. I'll put it with the 5s. Let me know what y'all think. I got the same varsity jacket again. It's from my school, like I said, so I know y'all can't get it, but I can put a link in the description to like a varsity jacket that might be affordable for you to get. That's probably similar. Look in the description, it might be there right now, so check it out. If you're trying to live, swaggy, cool, just pull up to the school, feel me? What would I rate it? It's me, so I'll say a 10 out of 10, word. In the comments, let me know what y'all think. It's a W or L fit. Yeah, y'all, I'm gonna get into the last fit. Alright, y'all, this is the last fit, and I got the cargos for y'all. You see, with the 11s, chill on my laces, they're a little dirty. We got my hoodie right here. This is from my brand. It's with me and my friends. We started a brand. So yeah, it's called Grind to Shine, GTS, Grind to Shine. I can see the sides, puff print material. I'm gonna show y'all the back. The Instagram will be somewhere over here, here, or here. So just tune in, go drop a follow for me, please, y'all. Let me know what y'all think about the hoodie. I'm gonna talk about this hoodie in a different video, so stay tuned for that. It didn't drop yet, but it's dropping soon. Just stay tuned, And yeah, y'all, let me know what y'all think. Let me know how y'all think. I put it together. Like the white laces, or like the white on the side of the 11s. We got it matching the white in the hoodie a little bit. We got the black from the cargos matching, the puff print material. The back, the words, y'all can see. We got it matching right here on the hoodie. This is a full zip hoodie. This is basically the end of the video. Let me know what y'all think about this video. So, tell me if this fit was a W or L, and let me know what y'all rate it. If I'm wearing it, it's a 10 out of 10. Word, I'm trying to tell y'all. I feel like I always put fits together when I'm actually trying. This is the end of the video. Don't forget to like this video, get it recommended. Comment what's your favorite part of this video. What's the best fit out of the video? Comment what's the worst fit out of the video. Share this video, share with your abuela, your grandpa, your friends, your neighbor. Anybody, like your dog, your cat, word, anybody. Subscribe. Like, if you haven't subscribed, what are you doing? Like, what are you doing, yo? Like, subscribe. This is our current sub count right here. Y'all can see if we at 10K or not. I don't know. But yeah, besides that, y'all, let me know what y'all think about this video. And yeah, y'all, we not at 10K yet, but maybe we might be. I don't know. Y'all let me know. Besides that, this is the end of the video, and I'm out of here. See y'all in the next one. All right.
I just told Sosa that she is the boss.